To do here, guys, is run through my Pumpfun trading strategy that I apply to make quick 2 to 3x's from Pumpfun coins that successfully bond and move to Radium. So as you guys all know, what happens on Pumpfun is a token needs to reach a certain market cap, and once it reaches that market cap, it bonds and it moves from Pumpfun to Radium. Now, what we inevitably see with almost every single coin that moves from Pumpfun to Radium, we will see a significant post-Pumpfun dump. Now, if we are to successfully trade Pumpfun coins frequently, we need to be confident in waiting for this Pumpfun dump, and then we need to be confident in our entries into these tokens. I've just called this coin in my group at 6:30, and what I said was post-Pumpfun dump incoming, look to enter around initial resistance and support levels. So what we can see here, our first initial level of resistance was at the 100K market cap, a very common area of support and resistance, as this is a significant psychological level. So what we should have done, hopefully, is we entered the trade here, and after entering, we want to let it ride essentially until reaching another level of significance, which in this case is another psychological level, 250K market cap. So the previous all-time high is always a significant level to check that the coin gets to. Now, what many traders would do is after seeing a 2x here, they take 50% of their profits, and then everything else is risk-free for you to do with what you want. So in this case, we're seeing increased volume, we're seeing increased hold account, and we're seeing the price go pretty nuts. So what we can do here is look for further areas of support and resistance. As we can see, the price cooled off a little bit after going through the all-time high. It came back down and then it bounced straight off the all-time high. So really, I cannot stress enough the importance of identifying these areas of support and resistance, because they make these trades pretty straightforward. We've taken 50% of our trade here. Now what we're doing is we're deciding what to do with the rest of the trade. I'd pretty happily, actually, in fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take another 50% of my bag here right now to shore up more profits, and then I leave 25% of the initial trade in a little bit longer to see what the price does. If this price starts capitulating significantly, for instance, it's not really a significant area, but we can see a little bit of resistance forming around here. If the price significantly drops below, let's say 350K market cap, we could take profit. However, with these indicators increasing, holder number increasing rapidly, volume increasing significantly, we could gamble on this coin going a lot higher. So I'm going to continue monitoring this, but just remember that if you enter the trade down here, you're up, what's that, 4x. That's a 4x trade.